Hey Chem Kids, Mr. C here, and we are doing part A of the Le Chatelier Principle Lab. So in this lab, I have a saturated potassium nitrate solution, which I went ahead and placed in the test tube. And if you look closely, I have placed a few crystals of our potassium nitrate in the bottom of our test tube. And what I'm going to do now is I have made an ice bath here, and I'm going to go ahead and let it cool in the ice bath for around 10 minutes. I'm going to go pause this video because I'm not going to make you watch a test tube sit in an ice bath for 10 minutes because that'd be horrible. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this test tube, and I will bring you back after it's cooled for 10 minutes. Okay, so we've got our test tube in the ice bath for about 10 minutes now. We're going to pull it out and see what happens. So we pull out and dripping everywhere. We can actually see if we look closely that more of the crystal has formed, more of that potassium nitrate in its solid form has appeared in our system here. So now that you see that, we're gonna let it go ahead and we're gonna set it out on the side, and I'm gonna let it warm back up to room temperature, and we're gonna see what happens to this solution here. So once again, I'm not gonna make you wait the whole time to see it back. But I am going to put this in. See if you can answer any of the questions on our little lab though, while we wait for the solution to warm back. Okay, Chem Kids, I've let this warm back to room temperature. It took quite a bit. You could have watched it if you wanted to, but it was pretty boring. I mean, I really watched it the whole time. I did nothing else, and I found it fun. But as you have told me on multiple occasions, what I find fun is not always the same thing that you find fun. But here it is. We let it warm back up, and as we can see, we no longer have as many of those crystals. There's still some down in the bottom, and we can still see our main seed crystals that we put in there. But our solution has definitely formed more. It's turned back into a solution. So now that you know this, go ahead and see if you can answer the rest of those questions in the packet. Not the packet, in the lab. I'm going crazy, guys. I apologize about that.